What would you say to someone who's just coming across you on your YouTube channel?
Yep.
How would you greet them? What would you encourage them with?
Yeah. Number one, thanks for tuning in. It's invaluable to have subscribers and people tuning into our channel. One, I want to be 100% transparent with you. We are not the expert on all things. So I will quickly detail out what we consider either myself or one of members of my team that are experts on, and we will be an invaluable resource for that topic. Number one is real estate finance. I consider myself an expert in real estate finance, specifically being a mortgage lender for 17 years and now having a business that teaches the more efficient utilization of simple interest lines of credit. I don't know of anyone else in the entire country, maybe even the world, that understands it better than we do, because it's what we do every single day. We weren't just talking the strategy, we were living and executing the strategy out as lenders, then eventually bankers, and I'm still very involved in the banking community, so I understand this inside and out. We're not marketing gurus, just selling a widget about a theory, so we're talking about practical execution on it. So that's real estate finance. Now it could be real estate investing. So this is a great place to learn more about real estate investing. Edmund and Nate are going to talk a lot about that. How do you invest in real estate if you don't have a lot of capital or any capital at all? Or how to get the most efficient use of real estate investing, whether it's this class or this class. They're going to be really good experts when it comes to real estate investing. Another aspect is markets, trading, whether it's swing trading, day trading, we have an expert for that. Somebody who has all the certifications, all the licenses, has been an investment banker, not somebody who's never been licensed, never been certified in talking theory. We're talking practical use. We have an expert on that. How can you plug in and manage your 401k, your IRA better than your financial planner? Get better returns, take control, start dreaming again. That is replace your dollar. Then you've got replace your retirement, which is, it's all great that we replace our mortgage, but what we've really done is substituted it with another entity, which is a bank. Now, albeit it's more efficient, you're going to pay less interest, and you can use it as a foundation, you're still paying interest to a third party. Replace your retirement teaches you and your family how to become a bank. Now, that is not something that happens overnight. That is slow growth. That is something that can happen over the next 3 to 5 years. And people in this day and age don't want to hear that. They want to hear, how tomorrow after I sign up can I become super wealthy? This isn't the place for you. We're talking about realistic expectations here. Things that really do work and time tested and proven. And that's replace your retirement. Now, to my favorite, which is replace your mindset. You're going to hear from Nate Bailey, myself, maybe Chris Robinette, some of the other coaches, of how to have this paradigm shift in your life and how to start operating on a different system. We get in these zones in life where we get complacent and comfortable with where we're at. And if we don't change the way we think and we don't change our activities associated with it, then we don't change the path that we're on. And so Replace Your Mindset is a course that you can take. And all of our courses have an aspect of it that is 100% free. Obviously, you're here on YouTube. All of this is free. So you're going to learn a lot about mindset. How does somebody who is 6'4", 260 pounds run 100-mile races? They're not built like ultra marathons. Now, he's no longer 260 pounds because he ran 100-mile races many times over, so he's lost weight. But how do you become that mentally tough to run a 100-mile race? Now, I'm not saying that you're here to learn replace your mindset so that you can go out and run 100 miles. That may not be your goal, but everything pales in comparison as far as hard to running 100-mile races, maybe multiple 100-mile races. So things become super easy when you get used to doing hard things, and that's what replace your mindset is. I just truly believe that in this day and age in America, we are producing weaker and weaker men. And replace your mindset is hopefully a catalyst to start producing stronger, tougher men. Doesn't mean calloused or cruel men. I just mean stronger men in general, whether they're stronger in their faith or stronger in their relationships or stronger as husbands and fathers. Maybe they're just stronger physically. That's what Replace Your Mindset is all about. So you're going to learn aspects of all of that here at this channel, but we are not the expert on all things that you want to learn financially. So that's what we consider ourselves experts in, and that's what we're going to stick to. That is our wheelhouse. And if you're here for any one of those categories, you're in the right place, and we are happy to have you. Take care. God bless.